So far so good, we got no leaks. Cute little tires this truck's getting. It is absolutely crazy to think that that is a 37-inch tall tire. The fact that the F450's tires are bigger and the Bruce's tires are freaking absolutely massive compared to them, that is just insane. Let me get the rest unloaded, then we'll discuss and we'll finish talking. Perfect. Perfect. All right, well, we don't have the right lug nuts, so we're gonna have to go get a set. I guess this would be a great time to do a knivesdeal.com ad because we needed a knife to open this box, and they're great pieces. Knivesdeal.com, guys, for 10% off. Use promo code SENDITSTEVE, all one word. You won't be disappointed. This blade I've literally beat the ever-living trash out of, and it still works. It cuts with ease, as you can tell, right through like butter, especially with the serrated blade. But if you need the tip will do the job also, as you can tell. Great blades, guys. Definitely check them out. Knivesdeal.com for 10% off. Use promo code SENDITSTEVE, all one word. You can't go wrong. Oh boy. Looking good. Actually, I don't really care for these wheels, but for the price, how can you go wrong? Let's get the others mounted. Let's get the others installed. Can you see it dripping? It's not even running yet. Let me go ahead and fire it up and I'll show you a little closer just what we're working with. Not sure how well you guys can see this. So we're gonna need a new steering box. Let me figure out some stuff here real quick, do some thinking, because yeah, see how tight that one is? That one don't move at all. That one definitely has some significant play in it. All right, stand by. All right, with it running and pressure buildup, you can just see it is absolutely draining out like no other. So we're definitely gonna need a steering box, and I think it's time to do what I want to do. So good morning, guys, and welcome to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, I am Send It Steve, and this is our new project. I had to move my catch pan over there because it is literally just running right out. Let me go ahead and shut this off. I didn't put much fluid in it, but there you have it, guys. So welcome to the channel. We had to take some skid plates off here so that we could assess and figure out what the actual damage was to the green OBS from the accident. Now, if you guys don't know, this was Street Speed 717's truck and it wasn't an accident. Definitely check out his video. And well, I kind of gave away most of the video too, because we got some new wheels and tires for it. As you do know, when we did do the deal with Mike wanted his old wheels and tires because they were a sponsored piece by ProComp. So ProComp, if you ever want to sponsor me, reach out to me. But yes, Mike had sponsored wheels on this truck, so we ended up going ahead and picking up a set of wheels and tires. Our buddy Josh, JPM Tech, had a set of wheels, so we purchased them off of him. Actually, still have to pay him for them, but alrighty guys, well, this thing is definitely taking on a lot meaner of a look than it did when Mike had it, and it has to be those Super Swamper TSL tires. I mean, 37s on this truck, and you know, it's actually not bad. It's got a little poke in the rear, a little poke in the front, only because the fender's jacked up. So we went ahead and I did adjust the upper control arms as far as I could to get it going, but with that steering box being bad and the upper control arm being bent, we're not going to be able to get it 100% perfect. As you can tell, you know, it's still poked out just a little bit. I tried to adjust, but we're kind of peaked out where it is. So that's where we're going to leave it for right now. We are able to drive it around now. Before I couldn't really drive it because it was really towed out and cambered in, but I got it adjusted to where it can be driven. Obviously, we're not going to take it on the street or anything. But I also wanted to show you guys the brake line. So this is what happened when the accident happened, was the rear brake line actually broke. And the only reason I can tell is because, as you do know, I'm not new to Chevys. And you can just see the pinhole right about there. You can see the pinhole, and it's definitely going to be an issue. So we're going to go ahead and resolve that. We're going to probably make new brake line on that side as well as this side here. You can tell somebody did do a brake line to the brake hose there, so that should be good. But I think we're going to be able to resolve this, and we're going to be able to have a lot of fun with this truck. So, all right, guys. Well, if you wanted to actually know which way we're going to take this, we are not going to get another control arm and things. I know I said it needed a control arm and it needed this and needed that, but I think you guys are going to be excited about this. We are actually going to straight axle swap. That's right, straight axle swap this OBS truck. I've always wanted to just do a straight axle swap, and I always sort of wanted to do it to a Tacoma or something like that, but why not do it to this? This is the perfect donor truck, with it needing a steering box, which I don't know if you can use the stock steering box or we need a new steering box. I don't know. I got to look into it. I know Danny knows a lot about it. So we are going to be doing this with Danny, slow_restoration. So definitely check him out and give him a follow, give him a subscribe, because he is going to have his hands all over this project, because he's actually wants to do one as well. So why not do it to this? We'll get rid of all the lift kits. So I might actually buy the control arm and then sell this suspension lift. I don't want a bunch of DMs right now. I'm not 100% that that's the route we're gonna go. As far as, you know, selling it, we might save it and, you know, put it on something different, but I may end up selling I think it's a 7-inch rough country lift kit. So don't DM me now. I'll let you know when it does pop up for sale. If you're not following me on Instagram, it's sendit_Steve. That is where you will know when I list this for sale. So again, guys, don't DM me right now about the lift kit. It is not for sale at this moment. I will not sell it until I make it 100% right and fix what is bent. But I can't wait to straight axle swap this, guys. So there you have it, guys. We have another video in the books, and I love this thing. I think it's because the price is right. I mean, how can you pass down a free truck? Got a couple dollars in wheels and tires, but that's not a big deal, especially because, I mean, this thing looks freaking killer now. I like it. That kind of looks blue in the GoPro. But there you guys have it. If you like the content, please smash that like button and please subscribe. And I'm glad that you guys are dealing with my obsession with projects. I freaking love projects, and we got a bunch going on. So take care, guys, and I will see you in the next upload, which will be the Suburban. I believe we're going to get it lifted, and we should have that video out by Thursday of this coming week. So stay tuned for that. I'm excited about that. I freaking love that build. That build is just freaking amazing. Thanks again to Rough Country. I will have a link in the description down below for the lift kit that we used for this particular vehicle. And again, definitely show your support to all my sponsors in the links down below. So again, guys, take care, and I will see you in the next upload. Sorry about the cicadas. It's cicada season, guys, so we just kind of got to deal with it. I don't have a garage, so we just got to take it. Man, I love the Civic. All right, guys, roll the outro. I guess the view of my junkyard was my outro. Take care, guys. See you in the next one.